What's up, Journey More? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to roast a marshmallow perfectly. As you can see, golden brown.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
Now there are 3 essential tips that you have to keep in mind when you are roasting a marshmallow in order for it to come out that golden brown all the way around. The first one is you have to have the right tool. If you don't have the right tool, most likely you're going to lose the marshmallow. So let me show you. So a lot of people use a prong similar to this. As you can see, very skinny prongs. You could actually roast a ton of marshmallows on this. But the problem is, if you're roasting this over the fire and you're making them perfect, the inside will get hot to the point that they just melt right off into the fire. I've done that a lot of times, and you don't ever want to lose a marshmallow. So I've actually developed the perfect tool that I've never lost a marshmallow off of. So let me show you. I've got 3 prongs, and they're actually in a triangle formation. So what this does is when you put the marshmallow on, it has 3 points of contact that are separated fairly equally. Took a broom handle and I just stapled on some coat hanger wires just in that triangle formation. So very simple. This one's actually got some slits cut in it so they fit down real nice and easy. If you like that, you can do that, but you don't have to. You can just staple it onto the outside and it's good to go. But these hold up really well and they make the perfect marshmallow, and because it's long, I can throw 4 or 5 on here and still get a lot made. But also the round handle makes it very comfortable as you're roasting. So, second thing is you have to roast over coals. If you're roasting over flame, that's when the marshmallow catches on fire and it's gonna turn black. People say they like that, but no. People just like that because it's easier. A perfectly brown marshmallow is so much better than a burned marshmallow. So, cook it over coals, not over flame. We'll show you that here in a second. But I'm gonna throw on a couple of marshmallows here. As I'm roasting, I'm gonna get these close to the coals, but still leave room. And I'm just gonna leave these here for about 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna turn them over. I'm just gonna slowly turn. As you can see, it's getting that perfect brown bubble all the way around. And because I've got the 3 prongs, there's no way it's gonna fall off. Never has. And all the time that I've roasted marshmallows with this, never have they fallen off. So the third tip is have patience. If you have patience, you're gonna make the perfect marshmallow. You're gonna roast it to perfection. And that's what we want. That's what we strive for here at Journey More. Woo, dodge that. So check that out. Golden brown all the way around. The inside is melted. Ooh, you can feel that crisp on the outside. That is perfect right there. Another fun tip that might make it easier when you're roasting marshmallows is actually making a tripod. So as you can see, I've lashed together these 3 pieces of wood with a tripod lashing. If you're curious as to know how to do this, you can jump on over to our tripod lashing video where I teach you how to do that. But the cool thing about this is I can take my rod with my marshmallows. I actually just place it right here. And look at that. Easy turn. If I had 2, I could just set it on both and it would roast for me. It takes about 60 seconds to get all sides of the marshmallow perfectly brown. So for some people, they gotta have patience for the 60 seconds. And I understand that, I get that. there you have it. That's how you roast the perfect marshmallow. A couple of tips and tricks here. We hope that this was helpful to you guys. If it was, give the video that thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.